Hi, I'm Marina and it's great to see you. I'm really excited about today's video. I'll be trying new products that I've never used before, and some of them are brand new to the beauty community. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell notification so you know when I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram at Marina Mermaid Princess, Twitter at Marina Louis 2. I've done most of my makeup off camera today, so we'll be focusing on all the new products. We'll be starting off with eyeliner. Milk Makeup has a new waterproof gel eyeliner. I'm on Milk's website right now getting all the info. It's the Longwear gel eyeliner and it's available in 6 shades. The shade I have is Boss, which is a matte black. The info is as follows. It states it's highly pigmented waterproof formula from metallic to matte. Stays in line all day, glides, it's hydrating avocado oil and hyaluronic acid, smooth skin so liner glides on without pulling or catching. You have options. The liner comes with a sharpener and a smudger to allow for precise application or a smoky effect depending on your mood. It's a Longwear gel waterproof eyeliner and washes off with any oil-based remover. Sounds really good. So this is the packaging it came in. It came in a white, actually a clear tube with a white top, and then a top at the end with the color on it. It's dual ended, so one end has the smudger and the other end has the pencil. Also, I know my nails need to be done, so please don't come for me with that in the comment section. I haven't gotten time to go get them done yet. Opening the pencil side, you can see it's sharpened, so I got it on Saturday, but I saved it to use today with you guys. So far it's gliding on pretty easily. I mean, it's just working with the texture of my eye. It's very pigmented. I haven't had to go over it. As you guys can see from the eye that's done, it's very pigmented. I didn't have to really go over space except for where it skipped just because of the texture of my eye. But I mean, I really like it. Black, like definitely black, and I can see why it's called Boss. So I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera, then we'll come back into the waterline and try the smudger. Going into the waterline with it, I'll turn it up a little more here. And this is really easy, it doesn't require a lot of pressure. And from here I'm going to flip it over into the smudger side. Switching to the smudger end now, I'm going to smudge out the waterline a bit. I mean, the smudger side is a little bit harsh for my taste, but it could be worse. There it goes. And I'll quickly do the other eye off camera and come back with the new mascara. Okay, so this is what the point looks like after being used. Obviously, it would have worn down a bit. The only thing is that they said on the website that there is also a sharpener. And okay, it comes with a sharpener and a smudger. So let me try. Ah, there it is. Found it. It's on the other side of the smudger. So as you can see, it's like an empty cartridge, and you can insert and use the smudger, or you can turn it over and use your sharpener. That is really cool. So I actually know about this because my friend Siobhan, who owns Julin, when I was at the store Saturday, she showed me it. She was wearing it, it looked beautiful on her, and she had it on all day. It was completely black and pigmented. So on the website now, it says it doesn't smudge, it stays on. So it's supposed to have been dried by now. It's been about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to take my Morphe M3 brush and just go under the waterline and see if it's going to smudge out anymore. And no, it's not. You can see that the brush is completely clean, no black, nothing, and this is just from smudging. So thanks so much, Siobhan. I would have never known about this if you hadn't told me about it. This benefits beyond mascara. They're real lengthening mascara. I have been looking for a really good mascara that I could wear on days when I don't want to wear lashes, so let's see how this one wears. I also have not seen a lot of reviews on this one, so I'd like to do a review for it as well. Strangely enough, it's award winning and I haven't seen a lot of reviews on it. This is the component. It feels really nice and heavy, so it's that more high-end product. It doesn't feel cheap. It's in a nice kind of chrome finish, which I like. And reading off the website, it says they're bigger, bolder, sexier lashes. They're real, lengthens, curls, volumizes, lifts, and separates. Our jet black, long-wearing formula won't smudge or dry out. A specially designed brush reveals lashes you never knew you had. 94% saw dramatic length and volume, 94% saw visible lift, 100% saw long wearing results. The awards this mascara has won are the Glamour Beauty Award for Best Designer Mascara for 2017, Allure's Reader's Choice for Best Mascara Department Stores and Specialty Stores 2014. So this mascara has been around for a little while, but like I said, surprisingly there are not a lot of reviews on it. I guess we'll try today. Opening the component, and this is what the brush looks like. So it has an interesting tip, which I guess will be for the bottom lashes, and then you brush through the top lashes regularly. Okay, so guys, this is with one coat. Actually make that like 5 coats. And just to get like the tiny lashes on the inner corner, I'll flip it over to the end of the brush. And you can definitely see a big difference between my right eye, where I have the mascara applied, and the left eye. You can see a significant difference. And now trying in the bottom lashes. I just realized I'm giving off serious, hardcore rocker vibes here. The grungy look. I have not done an eye makeup look like this in a hot minute. Now for the part I am most excited about, which is Fenty Beauty, their new Sun Stalk'r bronzer. My shade is the same as Rihanna's, the one that she named after herself, Bajan Gyal. Absolutely love the component, this beautiful bronze chrome finish. Is just, I mean, it's very fingerprinty, but it's really fun to look at, it's fun to hold. I want to see if it's worth all the hype. Even though yes, I am a Fenty fan, I need to see if it's worth all the hype. Now time for the big reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Taking my JH02 brush, Morphe JH02, and dipping into it. The formula is creamy, it's not powdery, even though it is a powder formula. Taking here and lifting it. Wow. You can definitely see a more bronzed difference between this cheek and this cheek. I mean, girl, I am living for this bronzer. It 100% is worth all the hype. It's just giving me a beautiful sun-kissed glow without turning me orange, which we all know has happened with other brands. I'm sure it's happened to many of us. So I would definitely recommend this. I mean, wow. Taking my Morphe GS5 brush, dipping it back into Bajan Gyal, and just going gently into my nose contour with it. And oh my god. Yes, definitely. I'm not even going to use any blush today because I want you guys to see the full effect of the bronzer. Final thoughts on these products. To be honest, I do like them all. I have not seen any reason why I should dislike any of the products. The Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Liner, I love it. It clearly does live up to its claims. It has not smudged since it's dried and set under my eyes. I definitely will be trying all the other colors in this. I'm really excited to try the shimmery navy blue though. That's in the color Biz. I definitely want to try that one next. As for the They're Real from Benefit, I can definitely see why it earned the awards, and this is my new mascara for my no falsies days. And as for the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r, do I really even need to say anything more? I completely am in love with it. It is 100% worth and living up to all of the hype. For those of you in Trinidad who would like to get these products, the Milk Makeup Gel Liner and the Fenty Beauty Bronzer are both available at Julin. There are 2 locations. The Port of Spain branch is in 1 Woodbrook Place, and the Trinity Mall branch as well at Trinity Mall. Benefit They're Real is available from a makeup artist friend and colleague of mine, Laura Poonwa. You can find her on Instagram at lmpoonwa, and she's located in Woodbrook. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to become one of the Babes, and definitely hit that bell notification button. See you soon, guys. Bye.